Hello, little learners! Welcome to Marsel Kids TV. Today, we are going to learn about kind words. Are you ready? Clap your hands, move your feet, and sing along. Kind words make us smile. Kind words make our day, all day. Can I help you? Is a lovely thing to say. Kind words, say them every day. Kind words make our friends feel good in a special way. In a special way. You are welcome. Well done, my friend. And may I help you? Kindness has no end. Kind words, say them every day. Kind words make our friends feel good in a special way. In a special way. When someone feels unhappy, I can say I care. I can speak with gentle words and show that I am there. Good job, little learners! Today, we learned how kind words can make people feel happy and loved. Remember to speak kindly to your family and friends. See you in our next video on Marsel Kids TV. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye, little learners!